name is Monica and I'm an eyelash extension specialist and master trainer here at Mystique Lashes. I specialise in one-to-one eyelash extensions and Russian volume, and also we specialise here in lash lift as well. Since 2007, I started learning beauty tricks. I attended many courses and seminars to get to know the beauty industry and treatments that are available for women to make them look better about themselves. I found eyelash extensions a few years ago and I started training in those because I saw it as a great solution to everyday problems for women. So for me, I find that all my clients and all the people that I work with are at the center of my business because it's all about them. I like people to come in here and actually feel relaxed, live here looking amazing, get up in the morning, actually not have to worry. They can have children, they can have busy jobs, and they can still look amazing. So that is all what Mystique Lashes is all about, to make you feel great. Mystique Lashes is based in Coventry, UK, and we also provide courses worldwide. We focus on workshops, mentoring, and courses for eyelash extension specialists. What I find makes Mystique Lashes different, both the services that I provide to my clients and the training academy, is the care and the time that I give to people. I care about every single one of my clients. They're not just numbers, they're not just lashes that I put on them. I care about their lives, I care why they're doing things, I care about the people that I train because I want them to succeed in the future. Because for me, if we can train and develop lash industry, we can then make sure that ladies or gents or whoever has the lashes done actually feel happy and they get the services that they pay for. There is no cutting corners, there's no using cheap products, there's actually great quality service, and that is what I'm all about. Mystique Lashes focuses on two sides of our business. The first one is based on helping our clients look amazing. So we do a one-to-one eyelash extensions and Russian volume extensions. The second part is to support people in lash industry. We concentrate on eyelash extensions courses, workshops and mentoring, just to make everyone happier in the industry. If you'd like to use our amazing services, or if you need a little bit of help with your eyelash work, or you'd like to find a new exciting career, please feel free to contact us on mystiquelashes.co.uk or send us a message on Facebook or Instagram and we'll get back to you straight away.